Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Are you ready to add some new and exciting words to your vocabulary? Great! Today we are going to learn two words that are fun to say and useful to know. First up, we have onus. Onus. Onus means a burden or responsibility. For example, the onus is on me to finish this project on time. The word onus sounds like own us. So, you can remember that when you have a responsibility, it's like owning something. Here is a sentence example. The onus is on me to organize the party. Before we move on to our next word, here's a riddle for you. What kind of room has no doors or windows? I'll give you a hint. It's something you might put on a pizza. Comment down below if you know the answer. Now, let's move on to our second word. Frenetic. Frenetic. Frenetic means fast and energetic in a wild and uncontrolled way. For example, the dancers moved in a frenetic pace. To remember the word frenetic, you can think of a funny situation where someone is trying to catch a chicken that's running around wildly. That's a frenetic scene. Here is a sentence example. She worked at a frenetic pace to meet the deadline. Well, that's a wrap on onus and frenetic. Now go forth and impress your friends and family with your fancy vocabulary. I'll leave you with this final thought. If pro is the opposite of con, then what's the opposite of progress? Comment down below with your best answer and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wacky word fun. Thanks for watching.